Hey YouTube, so for today we're going to be joining our user to the domain. So we have a Windows 11 computer here and we have our domain controller over here. So the agenda is we're going to rename our Windows 11 PC to Desktop 3. Then we're going to enable the local administrator. Then we're going to delete Bob's account. This user's name is Bob, as you can see over here. We're going to delete Bob's account. Then we'll join to the domain, and then I'll show you on the domain controller that the PC was added. Because as you can see, there's only desktop 1 and 2. Okay, so let's start. So first, let's rename the PC. So we go to settings, and there's two places to rename it. You can rename it right here under home, or you can go to system and go to about and rename it here. So let's rename it to desktop 3. Next. Okay, I'm going to restart it, so let me pause the video. Okay, so the PC has restarted. So before I continue, let me just put this on, okay, it's already on quiet mode. Okay, so, yes, let's log in. Okay, so let's see, we have changed the name, so now let's enable local administrator. So we go to File Explorer, right click on this PC, we go to more options, manage, then we go to local users and groups, and there's the administrator. So let's right click and check disable, hit apply, uh, right click on it, set a password. Okay, password has been set. Now we can delete this user. It says here, each user account has a unique identifier in addition to the username. Deleting a user account deletes this identifier and it cannot be restored. Even if you create a new account with an identical username, this can prevent the user from accessing resources they currently have permission to access. Are you sure you want to delete the user Bob? Click yes. Bob's currently logged in. Still delete him. Okay. So now let's log out. Sign out. Sign back in. Let's just, if the setup is gonna take long, I'll just pause the video and wait for it. Yeah, let me pause the video, then I'll get back to you. Where's my mouse? There we go. Okay, so we are logged in again. There's administrator. So now the next thing is to join the user to the domain. So let's go. We can either we can right click on start, go to settings. We can go to accounts. Let's see. This is the right place. There we go, access work and school and connect. Join this device to the local Active Directory domain. Then the domain is ea.local. Next, domain cannot be found. Interesting. Let's see. That shouldn't be a problem. Let me check my. Everything's on the same network. VMnet 5. Okay. Over here, manage VMnet 5. So I wonder what the problem is. Um, let's see. See, it's ea.local here. Let's try again. Let's see. And no, it's not going through. Okay. I'll post a video, then I'll come back and explain what happened. Okay, so after some digging around, I just tried to redo it a few times. That didn't work. So let's actually check the IP for this machine. Okay, we're already on settings, network, Ethernet. Okay, DHCP, assigned IP, edit. Let's see. Actually, let's go to CMD. Let's check IP config. Oh, 169. Yeah, that's not good. Well, it makes sense because uh, I'm not actually on the internet. I'm on this custom VMnet which doesn't have internet. So that means we will have to set a static IP. So let's do this. Edit manual IPv4. Here, let's see what IP this computer is on. CMD IP config. Okay, so local domain is actually internal. That's all you want, internal. 192.168.20.5. Okay, 192.168.20. I think I have some computers on .6.7. Let's say .10. Subnet mask. Is it 255, or do I need to put /24? I'm not sure, but it will tell us if there's a problem. Gateway, let's put 192.168.20.1. Preferred DNS, let's put the IP for the domain controller, 192.168.20.5. And I think that should be alright. Let's see. There we go. So now let's see if we can connect to the domain. Let's see, connect. Just let it load. Okay, let me pause the video, then I'll come back. Okay, now we're back, so let's join this to the domain. Let's see ea.local. There we go. Now it's working. Put the thing. These are the creds for the domain controller. Let's see. Okay, perfect. So skip that and let's restart. Okay, we are back. Let's see here. Administrator. So let's go other. Let's see, sign into EA. So let's check before we sign in. Let's see if it shows up here. There we go, right there. Desktop 3. So now we know we're successfully added to the domain. So let's go to HR and sign in with Jess. Oh, looks like that's working. Then we just need to do the setup. Okay, let me pause the video, then I'll get back when everything is done. Okay, setup is complete. Let's go to settings. As you can see, Jess at ea.local. So we have successfully joined Jess to the domain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.